to statistics and probabilities, but this time we're worried about the stem and leaf plot. So we have these numbers. So the stem is like the first digit, and the leaf is like the next digit. When you listen to stem and leaf plot, don't think of a tree. Bad joke. Anyways, so if I'm going to tell you about some important concepts at the end of the video, just before we end. So first we're starting off with this one. So this first digit is 7 in the leaves. So we have a 4, so we have a 2, 4, and 9, a 2, 4, and a 9. Now we're going on to the 80s. So we have an 8, a 6, and a 3. Now we're moving on to the 90s. So we have a 5, a 2, and a 7. Next, so we have a 1 and a 9. And we have a 2, 6, 6, 6. And for the 30s, we have a 3 and a 7. And for the 40s, we have 8, 8, 9. Next one. So we have, one of the best ways to figure these out is by reading the set of numbers. 5, 58, 41, 42, 67, 54, 65, 65, 54, 69, 53. So you start with the 40s. 41 and 2. 50, 4, 4, 3, 8. Now 60s. So we have a 5 and a 5 and a 7 and a 9. Now, remember I told you about having telling you guys about the important concepts? Here are some of them. If they're decimal points, then just do this exact same thing. If there are 110, 111, 112, those kind of things, like 110, 120, 130, then you have to you don't write 13 in the leaf. You have to, for 130, you don't write 30 in the leaf. Instead, you write 1 and 3 in the stem and 0 in the leaf. Those are just some important concepts about stem and leaf plots. So if it's regular, just do this. If it's decimal point, just do this. And if there's 110 or 120, then you have to put the 11, then you have to put the 12 or 11 right here. So the decimal trick is pretty simple. I'm just gonna show you how to these kind of things, a simple 100 saying. So I'm going to write S for stem and L for leaf. L. I'm going to make so for example, if we had 100, then we would have to put 10, 0, 101, 1, if we had 100, then we put 1, 10, 0. And if we had 101, then we put comma 1. And then we have 151, so then we'll put 15 and then 1. And 170, we'll put 117 and 0.